Today we're taking a look at Solana's Solcoin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Solana go in the near future. Let's get into it. I've partnered with Crypto.com to provide my viewers with an awesome opportunity to accelerate their crypto journey. Crypto.com is used by over 50 million users in 90 countries across the globe and is a leading platform for buying, selling and staking crypto. They also offer metal Visa cards with a huge range of rewards that allow you to convert and withdraw your crypto in fiat currency. Crypto.com is offering a $25 sign up reward using my affiliate link in the description or by entering affiliate code RyanProven. Welcome back into Solana's Solcoin chart, guys, and as you can see we are now unfortunately sitting at a value of $31.65, and you can clearly see that our nice little channel that we had in place has actually now failed. And the last time I suppose we took a look at this was at the start of August, and we were expecting hopefully a breakthrough of that 20 and 50 day moving average after the bounce, and we certainly got there. We hit the top end of our chart, our key point of resistance at $48, and then moved back downwards as anticipated. But unfortunately, then the crypto market took a bit of a turn. As a result, Solana fell out of that upwards trending channel, which is just here, and then fell once again behind, I suppose, another key point of support at $35. Right now, as you can see, we are trending in a bit of a sideways direction, but overall it is now time to reevaluate everything. This channel is no longer in effect, so we can basically delete that now. Our next, I suppose, key point of support, in my opinion, is this line here. It is our $20 mark. Ideally, we don't want to be coming absolutely anywhere near that one at all. And we want to try get back above the $35 mark. But we've got a few things working against us at the moment. First and foremost, volume. Volume has dropped off significantly, and we do continue to trend overall downwards in the short term, which is not good. Secondly, the 20-day moving average crossed below the 50-day moving average on the 26th of August. As a result, that indicates a change in trend downwards, which is the major factor for the break of course of this $35 point of support. You can see the day it crossed, we had a decent red candle and a drop downwards. We have hit a all-time low for the past year or so now, or not year or so, past few months, I'd say right here, 29.91. Haven't quite gotten down to that all-time low on the 14th of June, which was 25.78, but we aren't too far off at this point in time. The pattern we are currently seeing form itself on the daily chart as well is honestly not a good one. What we're seeing is a little bit of a wedge pattern start to form itself, and this typically indicates that it's going to break once again downwards. Not good for us. The only way we will see a reversal right now is if some major Solana news actually does come out, or if we see the whole crypto market actually start to pick up. If that doesn't occur, we are going to continue moving downwards towards this $20 mark. That is really all we have here. If we zoom out, you can see this is a major point of support for us. And if we crash through that, then we are in absolute dire straits. Hopefully it doesn't occur, but things are looking like we are moving down that direction. Let's have a look at a few other indicators as well. Firstly, relative strength index. You can see we actually hit the oversold range just. We hit that 30 point mark, bounced back off it, and we are now sitting at 38.03. There is now a bit more room to continue moving downwards, which would complete the pattern that we are currently seeing here. But if we were to continue, I suppose, moving upwards instead, we would see that there is a ton of space on the RSI for buying momentum to come in. It's really going to be critical over the next few days to see what actually occurs. We do have the Ethereum merge coming up, I suppose within, I think it is tomorrow, the September the 6th. and that could result in the overall market picking up, or alternatively Solana isn't going to move with it and we're going to go downwards. Let's have a look at the MACD, and I don't suspect this is looking great either. As you can see, big red period we've had here, but there is a possible cross of that 12-day EMA back above the 26-day EMA. It needs to be convincing and it needs to be supported by volume to actually give us any movement upwards. If we see a shallow cross, similarly to what we have over here, not much is going to occur and we're going to really get stuck on that $35 mark if there is any push upwards at all. So MACD, whilst yes, it's great to see that 12-day EMA start to cross the 26, volume needs to come in to support it fundamentally. Let's also have a look at the Bollinger Bands. Now what are these showing us? Well, they're showing us the break occurred and it occurred downwards. The bands are now coming tightly together once again, and I suspect that they're going to come even closer just before we hit the tip of this triangle and we're going to see a break. We are absolutely going to see a break upwards or downwards, but at this point in time, all things are pointing downwards from a technical analysis standpoint. So where does that leave us? Well, I am suspecting what we're going to see is a drop out of this triangle and then a move downwards towards, of course, that key point of support at the $20 mark. It's not going to look pretty. Sit and wait if you're thinking about buying Solana, in my opinion. I might be wrong and we might get a break upwards. That'd be fantastic. But the key in breaking upwards would be breaking that $35 mark. If we test it and move downwards, once again, we have seen a failure and we'll break down to that $20 mark. That wraps up today's analysis of Solana's Solcoin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.